Introduction to Micro and Macroeconomics, Part 3. First, Theory of Income and Employment. To understand how the level of employment is determined, we have to study the consumption function and investment function. Theory of business cycles is also a part and parcel of the theory of income and employment. Second, Theory of General Price Level and Inflation. Macroeconomic analysis shows how the general price level is determined and further explains what causes fluctuations in it. The study of general price level is significant on account of the problems created by inflation and deflation. Third, Theory of Growth and Development. Macroeconomics consists of the theory of economic growth and development. It explains the causes of underdevelopment and poverty. It also suggests strategies for accelerating growth and development. Fourth, Macro Theory of Distribution. Macro theory of distribution deals with the relative shares of rent, wages, interest and profit in the total national income. Features of macroeconomics. First, study of aggregates. Macroeconomics deals with the study of economy as a whole. It is concerned with the aggregate concepts such as national income, national output, national employment, general price level, business cycles, etc. Second, income theory. Macroeconomics studies the concept of national income, its different elements, method of measurement and social accounting. Macroeconomics deals with aggregate demand and aggregate supply. It explains the causes of fluctuations in the national income that lead to business cycles, which is inflation and deflation. Third, general equilibrium analysis. Macroeconomics deals with the behavior of large aggregates and their functional relationship. General equilibrium deals with the behavior of demand, supply, and prices in the whole economy. Fourth, interdependence. Macroanalysis takes into account interdependence between aggregate economics variables such as income, output, employment, investments, price level, etc. For example, changes in the level of investment will finally result into changes in the levels of income, levels of output, employment, and eventually the level of economic growth. Fifth, lumping method. Lumping method is the study of the whole economy rather than its part. According to Professor Boulding, forest is an aggregation of trees, but it does not reveal the properties of an individual tree. This reveals the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Sixth, growth models. Macroeconomics studies various factors that contribute to economic growth and development. It is useful in developing growth models. These growth models are used for studying economic development. For example, Mahalanobis growth model emphasized on basic heavy industry. 7. General price level. Determination and changes in general price level are studied in macroeconomics. General price level is the average of all prices of goods and services currently being produced in the economy. 8. Policy oriented. According to Keynes, macroeconomics is a policy-oriented science. It suggests suitable economic policies to promote economic growth, generate employment, control of inflation and depression, etc. Importance of macroeconomics. First, functioning of an economy. Macroeconomic analysis gives us an idea of the functioning of an economic system. It helps us to understand the behavior pattern of aggregative variables in a large and complex economic system. Second, economic fluctuations. Macroeconomics helps to analyze the causes of fluctuations in income, output and employment and makes an attempt to control them or reduce their severity. Third, national income. Study of macroeconomics has brought forward the immense importance of the study of national income and social accounts. Without a study of national income, it is not possible to formulate correct economic policies. Fourth, economic development. Advanced studies in macroeconomics helps to understand the problems of developing countries such as poverty, inequalities of income and wealth, differences in the standards of living of the people, etc. It suggests important steps to achieve economic development. Fifth, performance of an economy. Macroeconomic helps us to analyze the performance of an economy. National income estimates are used to measure the performance of an economy over time by comparing the production of goods and services in one period with that of the other period. Sixth, study of macroeconomic variables. To understand the working of the economy, study of macroeconomic variables are important. Main economic problems are related to the economic variables such as behavior of total income, output, employment, and general price level in the economy. Seventh, level of employment. Macroeconomics helps to analyze the general level of employment and output in an economy. You should know microeconomics and macroeconomics at a glance. Meaning, microeconomics studies the behavior of individual unit of an economy. Macroeconomics studies the behavior of aggregates of the economy as a whole. Tools: individual demand and individual supply, aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Scope: demand supply, product pricing, factor pricing, production, consumption, economic welfare, etc. National income, general price level, employment, money, etc. Importance: price determination, model building, business decisions, etc. Economic fluctuation, study of national income, economic development, etc. Theory: price theory, income and employment theory. Examples: individual income, individual output, etc. National income, national output, etc.